The Seng Khasi Seng Kmie had organized a two-day festival on the 19th and 20th of November 2022 entitled Thymmei Festival 2022 to showcase the rich culture of the Khasi people. The event that was organized at the Wweiking Ground's Jaiaw, Shillong was inaugurated by the president of the Seng Khasi Seng Kmie, Donkupar Dkhar, while the ritualistic ceremony of Nguh was led by Skor Jala. Songs that included the phawar were also presented by traditional music groups, while dance troupes from the Khasi and Jaintia Hills enthralled the crowd through performances that included Shad Suk Mynsiem, Shad Sukra, Shad Rongkhli, Shad Pliang and others. A sound and light show that included screening of the short documentary Thymmei based on the origin of the Nguh and Nguh on earth was also shown to the public. On the final day of the festival, young unmarried men and women had participated in the traditional contest for the selection of Khmie from amongst the ladies and Unai Khatsaunsanya from amongst young men. The purpose of the entire event organized by the Seng Khasi Seng Kmie is to showcase to the rest of the country and the world the philosophy, the richness and real essence of Khasi culture and tradition, and especially to lead mankind into a better understanding of the self, which the Seng Khasi Kmie is hopeful would enable all to experience a better and brighter future.
Shad Pliang 11 Wweiking
Kakerting jonga day badarisha kongsen ngasong sa hanongra karta jonga gadai khatra ngariam kom inangwar shela karyam shela kade karyam tendrai kabakinong shela kiriam nado kilong shwa manshwa kini kiriam kilong kajan ed muka kajan kop soryo bat kajan pin soryo kublai shibun
Kanam Klai Boram Kensong Song Asa Maulai Pumuri Bat Ngariam Komutirot Sing
Ita ide contestant number 10 Rana Singh Khmie
But Donkupar Dkhar first runners up today the contestant number 13 Bahon Nogrom Keempat ya Usm kena Habapan Sim dan Slowa Banwan Serengsan dan Penkobrom ya kini ginong
Kiyoi ko kusnam pisa kabahnyo hajar sanspa bat certificate bat KGI snowha
Balai jar-jar Nalamut Yamon Logyo Rana Singh Kmie Sowa Hatsi Rola
Unai Khatsaunsanya Jong Usnam Arhajar Arpuar Day Contestant number 2 Shad Rongkhli
Sowa Parok Nai Khasau Sunya, Alpha. Nominating contestant number 12.
I have that thing.